In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear mud flaps on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located in the rear wheel well. Let's get started. Using a T30 Bit, remove the screw out of the rear of the mud flap. Using a T15 Bit, remove the 4 screws for the front of the mud flap. Remove the old mud flap, install the mud flap, and get the screws started. Go around and snug the screws down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.